Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the language in the RedNote app. So from the RedNote app here, you want to go to the Me section down here, right? On Me, there you go. Now on Me, you want to go on this gear icon here, right? Click on the gear icon. Now from the gear icon, you want to go to the general settings here, right? Just click on that. And then on here, you'll see that there's a language option right there, right? Now on languages, you can pick either English, Mandarin, or another type of Mandarin. I'm not really sure. But just of course, pick English like this, and then your RedNote app will have English as its primary language. Although you can see that some of it is still Chinese like this, right? And you can't really change that. It's baked into the app. But even though you used it as Chinese now, the language I mean, there'll be some English that'll be present in the app, but there'll still be Mandarin that's still present in the app as well. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.